Without any further ado, this is a commonly requested tutorial how to acquire, store and own a token on the Ethereum network into your wallet. First and foremost, you are in charge of your choices. Do your own research. How the token transfers work is that first you are going to connect up your wallet, in this case Metamask-wallet, because it is the most supported and overall safe wallet out there. You connect wallet to the portal, in this case Uniswap, so that from the Ethereum network the token is transferred through Uniswap into your wallet. That is how the Ethereum decentralized network works. If you want to know more about it, do your own research. But there are many good reasons why it works this way. Trust it. So in this example, I'm going to use LeashToken. You go to the official Telegram channel, click the pinned message. There you see the info, and there you have the Uniswap link. If we copy this link, we see that this part of the link is the unique token address, in this case Leash. You can custom add that address into your Metamask wallet or copy paste it into Uniswap if you don't see the token there yet. Simply we just click the link and now it automatically adds the pair Ethereum and Leash. Before you can swap the token, you must own Ethereum in your wallet ready for use. So you sign up into Metamask, make your account, and inside Metamask you can buy Ethereum on its own, or you must transfer from other exchanges the Ethereum into your wallet. So in this example, first, one of the most common reasons why a swap doesn't go through is that there is not enough slippage tolerance in the swap. You can change that by clicking the small rotation icon on the top right corner. And it depends on the tokenomics how much slippage tolerance is good for you. This is because you want to give the room for price changes that are happening all the time in the market. This is the tolerance for the changes. And usually, if the Ethereum network is not too busy, 1% slippage is good for Leash. Ask in the Telegram channel if you don't know about slippage. If the network is really busy, you might add 2 or 3% slippage. But first, let's next connect the wallet to the Uniswap. So here we click Connect Wallet, and it gives you different API portals through which you can connect a different kind of wallet. I simply use Wallet Connect. You can try out any of these options, which one works for you. I know that Wallet Connect works for me because I'm using MetaMask. Here I click MetaMask, open MetaMask. Now it pops up with the signature for permission to connect your wallet into the Uniswap portal. So you simply here press accept or connect. Connect, and now you can go back to Uniswap and you see it's connected up. There we can 0.1 Ethereum. Always take into account that every transfer on Ethereum network takes some processing power because it's decentralized, really secure. So for that you exchange some fee for the transfer, and that is paid in Ethereum. So every transfer takes a little bit of Ethereum out of your wallet, and it depends on the network how busy it is in that moment. Different times, different on the day, you may get different gas prices. So here we see how much we would get for 0.01 Ethereum, this many leash. It suggested different versions. Prefer version 2 if possible. Then we press swap, confirm swap. Now it pops up back into MetaMask wallet because you have to give permission for that transfer. Open. And if nothing happens, this is really common. It just means the network is really busy, or there is no enough slippage, or you don't have enough Ethereum in your wallet. It might be any of those reasons if the confirmation doesn't pop up right away. But usually, if everything is good, it's usually because the network is so busy. So if nothing happens, we can simply close the wallet and go back to Uniswap and swap again. We check the slippage. Let's try 1% and swap again. This is common. Cryptos require some patience, you know. We do it again, cancel, close, swap. Let's see. Now, as you see here, right now the network is so busy that the gas fee is over 200. This pop-up became because there is right now not enough balance for that transfer. So there you see the total amount, and there you can check out the network fee. And usually it is good to use fast gas if it doesn't make so much difference in the price, because that makes sure the transaction goes through for sure. So if you want to make sure it goes through, check fast and add here some more gas. You can manually add some gas here. But after this, it is really simple. You just confirm, and it takes, depending your cash options, it may take 20 seconds to 15 minutes the transfer, but usually it's less than a minute, sometimes almost instant. So this time we press reject, and after you have accepted, you can see the transfer in the transaction history on the Metamask wallet. Always remember to check out the slippage before transfer and make sure you are in the right address on the official uniswap.org. That is the tutorial how you own a token on Ethereum network. Safe and happy transactions. As you all know, take the big picture, have patience. If you have been on this enormous ride and skyrocket, you have been holding, that is pure strength. It is you in the makings. Each of us learns more about ourselves through this, and we will be stronger than ever. With this, hopefully this helps. Feel free to share your views, and this is for anyone who is new yet still an early adopter to cryptocurrencies. Have a great day. Woof.